5 enough.
Okay. We were just talking about our IQ. It's surprisingly higher than 100.
Oh, yay!
Sweet, already disappointment. And it's not even showing up.
It's not even showing. Oh. That looks pretty cool.
It's blue.
What's that mean? Oh!
Wow. 3 whites this time.
I like where this is going. Hey, that's pretty good. To do.
Wow! Oh, it's the new Mercy skin. That's actually pretty good.
Yay!
You're gonna kill the audio.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Ah.
My baby. I love it.
Sweet, because you know how much I play Tracer.
You should play Tracer.
No.
Oh. You don't want to be that guy. But Matt, I am that guy. Oh, yay. I love disappointment. Isn't that just the freaking... Okay, I was going to say, isn't that... I thought it was skin. I was going to say, isn't that just default?
Is it? No, it's Blackwatch Genji. Whatever.
Time to Kyle. Time to Kyle. Oh, yay! Zenyatta. Ooh, that's some good FPS.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna lie.
It's kinda crap.
On this one, that one's pretty good.
No,
Bam!
it's not. Badass motherfucker.
Oh.
Yeah.
I thought it was Bamf. And I thought it was Bamf.
And then for the Christmas skin, it was gay-ass motherfucker.
Is that good? I mean, that's good. Do you have that? Oh, yeah, Sombra. Oh, how nice. The character that makes everyone want to...
It's a duplicate.
Yay!
I did get money.
I did get money. A lot of money. 300. Whoa. Cheers, love. Oh.
I like this emote.
Is it because of the butt? Because of the butt. Why do you play Overwatch? What
Sure.
the flipple? Why do you play Overwatch? For the plot.
Yeah. It's got an amazing storyline.
That's not what I meant.
It's just teasing me.
What is that skin?
Reach for the sky.
I like this. I don't know which one I want.
Is that a McCray?
I guess. It's
I
better
don't-
than no legendary skin.
I don't know what this game is. I need to point that out to you. I know as much as a potato on steroids.
At least you're on steroids.
What? What is that? What happened?
I think that says a lot about my computer.
Oh, yay.
Yeah, I
Give
think
me
this, I think this says a lot about my computer.
Why does Sombra look so out of place? Okay, I know a little bit about this guy. It's a skin. Oh, it's fine. It's a skin. Oh, it's fine.
We just need 2,000 more credits and we can buy the McCree skin.
You know what? That wouldn't be that bad. Oh, yay, Deva. I want it dead.
I want it dead.
That's such a good Matrix. I love the Diva Matrix thing. Oh, what the heck is that thing?
That's Orisa. She's the newest character. What's this?
Damn.
Also, the main reason I got this was because of Harmony, Pennsylvania.
We are in harmony.
Yeah.
No, we're in calorie.
Yeah.
If only you could have a team of 6 Sombras.
I like this.
Of course you do.
I'd love to stay in chat, but I'm not going to.
Yeah, pretty much.
Wow, I just love this character. I like 3 characters in this game because of the booty. That's about it. May is thick. Oh wait, no she isn't. It's like 8 pixels.
I'm going to science the heck out of this.
That sounds like something you would say.
You're not wrong.
Yay, sorry. And I'm going to science the heck out of this. May in a nutshell.
You Canadian? Sorry.
Sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh, that's a skin.
No.
Wow,
that's
15 coins.
I know.
I meant this thing. I think that's I don't know. Yay, disappointment! Damn. Wow,
Wow.
that was pretty nice. Kaboom!
Oh, the FPS counters in the video.
What?
The FPS counters in the video.
Oh, that's sad. Okay, man.
We're good at this. Dude, I got a legendary.
Oh my god, it's Roadhog. Oh.
Son of a bitch, I thought I already had this skin. No, I had the scavenger skin. Which is basically the exact same thing.
You need to show me that, because I don't know what any of these are.
I'll show you some of the...
Why did Winston on a block? Why did Winston on a block, Matt? 15 FPS. Ooh.
Are you kidding me? What are you doing? No, what are you... Are you trying to... Okay, now do it with one arm. That's what he was doing.
You gotta do it like this.
Yeah, that's basically what he was doing.
I cannot do that.
And then you need to look at me and do a weird, like this. Like, yeah.
I almost chopped myself.
And then whenever you put someone to sleep, you can do that on them and it looks like they're on...
It looks like Simon a little bit.
You should see him with the beard.
We thought he was a dwarf, but turns out that was a myth. Hey, Mercy, I know how to play support.
I can actually play Lucio pretty well.
That's because Bamf.
That's McCree. Bamf is McCree.
Bamf you.
Lucio is...
The bomb.
Looks like it's amateur hour.
I love how edgy he is.
Stop talking about our videos.
That's so mean. Ooh, a dupe. I think.
No.
I don't fucking know. I don't play this game. Help. Wow, how's that disappointment?
It's very disappointing.
What are we looking for?
The Blackwatch McCree skin, duh. Ah, sweet, an emote for a character I don't play as.
Widowmaker. But she's got a nice butt. That's 90% of what my dialogue will be in this video.
But she's got a nice butt. That's all that matters.
Oh.
Money.
Yay. You can always buy the skin.
Yeah,
Hey,
600 credits away.
how do you get these credits when you don't get loot crates?
You don't.
How do you get loot crates?
You either buy them or you level up.
We gotta level up a lot. You're level 26. This might take a while.
Almost all duplicates.
Hey, that's some money, but it's no money. 9 minutes of loot crate. Yeah. That's purple. It's a skin!
It's an emote. For Zarya.
I was guessing, shut up. Press enter to chat.
Who would we chat with?
Me. Press enter to chat. Loot crates are bull.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't worry, we all already know that.
Oh, 3,800. That looked like Mickey Mouse for a second. Oh no, your video's gonna get flagged.
You done?
You done goofed. I need you done and goofed. again. Play that.
Even McCree is bored of our videos.
Why is everybody hating us? Oh,
I
but
can
no
think of a few good reasons.
Oh, yay.
5 loot boxes left.
Pray to Jesus. What the heck is this? I don't know. See, it looks like Mickey Mouse every time you open it. Oh, that's cool. Oh, yeah.
Cool.
Okay. Roadhog, the only thing that hooks. Roadhog is a hooker.
Oh yeah. Wait, I just did the peanut butter one. Crap. I can't see him.
Matt, you can look at that one too.
Well, that one doesn't have as good quality.
If only we had $3 grand to drop on a computer.
Son of a bitch.
Son of a dingles. Well, time to get money. I have $5 in an hour. Must Winston, so you can Winston. Yay, don't do push-ups again. I don't want to do more push-ups. Okay, it's not push-ups. That's nice. Want. Rewa. Hoo-ah. I want to play this after this.
You won't like it because it's laggy.
I played Team Fortress 2 on an Xbox. You think you know lag?
I played Team Fortress 2 on a toaster.
Dividi.
And it doesn't even cook properly.
It's even got fire in the background.
Yeah!
Oh, you can feel. Oh my god, it is a toaster.
So I'm gonna show you. So this is the scavenger skin. This is the junker skin. See a difference?
It's just yellow.
Me either.
Wow. What nice skins you have there.
Viva.
Viva? What the? Is it just a B movie? It is. It's just the. Junebug, Hell and Quinn. That's just gay.
That's just good. Let's go. Oh wait.
Oh!
It's 3,000 credits.
Wow. That's cool. It's minute, but it's cool.
There we go.
Oh, that was hard. American. Boop, boop. Ebony?
This twist. Very interesting, I know. Also, I'd also just like to point out my automatic spray. This says a lot about me.
You should put a noose in his head.
Yeah, that's what my favorite thing to do.
Target practice. Target, then noose, then bamf. I am a bump. What's a bump? If it's not a bamf, what is a bump? Wait, what is it? Back off my penis. That's bump.
Where is voice lines?
Embarrassing. No monkey business.
I get it, because he's an ape.
How embarrassing.
Matt, you have how embarrassing twice.
It's for a good reason. Trust me, you'll see in a minute.
So I can...
Someone say peanut butter.
How embarrassing peanut butter. Oh. That was a good reason.
You'll see in a moment.
Glasses. It's just a ton of peanut butter.